Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the main points of the lesson, the summer of the beautiful white horse, which I earlier narrated. Student, in this chapter, the narrator Aram describing his best quality, which is honesty in this lesson. The complete story, the entire story moves through his character, and we came to know that how Aram got the horse, means took the enjoyment of horse riding under the supervision of his cousin brother Murad, and he was just utilizing the horse, and only one sentence which was running into his mind, that how his brother Murad got this horse. He was asking this question to his brother again and again, but his brother was not giving the exact answer to him. He was only telling only one thing, that if you want to get the pleasure of horse riding, you just take it, but don't ask the question. And by this way many days passed away, but narrator was puzzled to passing such time of time in their life. But one side he was very happy because he was just getting the pleasure of horse riding. And one day when he met to Mr. John Bairo, who was the real owner of the horse, when he counted the teeth of the horse and told that absolutely this horse is the twin of my horse, then narrator suddenly realized that, came to know that the Mr. John Bairo was the real owner of that horse, and decided to return the horse. He just talked to his brother Murad that they must return the horse. And at the same day, when Mr. John Bairo came to the house of narrator, and he reflected his pain, he indicated his pain, he described his pain, that how did he come on foot, then narrator thought that it will be suitable for them to return the horse. And he also understood that it is not the process of stealing. If a person is using any things related to any person and returning that things, this is not the concept of stealing. So by this way he decided to return the horse, and he returned also. And by this way he reflected the quality of sincerity as well as honesty in the life. And he is telling that, he just describing that no other quality is just like the honesty. And his family was already the symbol of honesty and sincerity in the ancient time. Once a time, narrator was related to very prosperous family, very rich family, but now he was feeling problem. He was leading miserable life, but after miserable life, during the time of miserable life, he was not in favor to choose the wrong track in the life. He was moving at a right track. And he motivated his brother Murad that they must return the horse, because horse was required by Mr. John Bairo, and he was unable to he was unable to bear the pain of Mr. John Bairo, which he just told to his mother. So this story is very pathetic, very heart-touching story. And the title of the story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, is appropriate, because the entire story is moving on this track only on the basis of the horse riding enjoyment, means entertainment. And this story is its story has great importance in every human life, that we should not steal the things of others. And suppose if we are taking any things to others without his permission by any way, then we must return that things. And by this way we can earn the name and fame in our life, and we can prove ourselves as a good citizen like narrator in our life.